not just inclusion, the product, but the support behind the product. So it's the team of people, the herd, as I'm calling them, behind the product. So when there's questions, when there's information needed, when there's a new feature that we need to look at, adding in, or getting help with creating a unique report that perhaps we're exploring to create, I know that the IBEX team is behind their product, confident with their product, and able to make us feel confident in every capacity that we hope to use that product. I think another important thing that IBEX as an organization has offered the community is their desire to invest in the information, the field of work that their clients are involved in. So I've really been impressed when I see members of IBEX at coalition meetings or various meetings that are about the field of service delivery that we do. And they've really taken time to understand who we are as their client base, what our work is, and I believe their approach and their own standard of expectation in their work is about community and contributing and partnerships and working together to make improvements in life, whether that's in your professional working life of getting a good payroll product out to your staff, whether that's being invested in various projects that matter to the community, and being a real partner, I feel, in the work that we do. Not so directly in working with the people that we support and offer services to, but making us better equipped to have time to do that better. So that actually has been very impressive for me. It's been great to go to a coalition meeting and to sit at a table and see Terry Harrison there learning about the field of disability and the hot topics and the information that's relevant to our work.